This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're enabling sync streams now, so first confirm you have an eligible Spotify plan and the desktop app ready. Open Spotify on desktop and sign in with the account that will host the session. This lets you toggle the newer stream sync features. Once done, check both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and updated to the latest app build to avoid handshake failures. Now locate the collaborative or sync streams option under the Connect menu and prepare the secondary device to join. Now configure the streaming session. On desktop, open the Connect menu and start a sync streams session, then invite listeners using the session link or device discovery. You'll adjust who can control playback and whether listeners are fully synced or offset for latency. Granting remote control prevents conflicts. Next, select audio quality and the latency preset. Lower latency tightens sync but uses more bandwidth. Once participants accept, the host confirms synchronized start and monitors drift indicators to keep everyone aligned. Finish by testing. Play a percussive track and verify all listeners are within acceptable sync. Aim for 200 milliseconds or less. If you notice drift, make adjustments. Lower streaming quality, move to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, or have participants rejoin the session in sequence to re-establish timing. If connections fail entirely, restart the Spotify app, sign out and back in to refresh tokens, and then recreate the session. That usually clears stubborn handshake or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.